And I want to warn you, if you miss any of the tips I share with you in this video, it's going to be the reason you don't begin to earn more money with DoorDash. Let's get right into it. Recommended tire pressure on these tires is 40. No, the maximum is 44. I'm finna hit them with 40. Okay, because I don't want to hit them with the maximum, but I also don't want to be riding on the low end. So we're going to hit them with 40. I got my tire pressure gauge right here. I got this right here. This is the perfect tire pressure gauge. Okay, I'm going to tell you why. Because it's small. It worked perfectly. I don't like them little tubes that pop out the bottom. Like, I ain't got time to be looking at no damn tube and trying to see if it's no. I'm the fastest dasher alive. I need all of my tools to be as fast as possible. So if you're using one of these right here, you're going to be able to get the fastest tire pressure in the quickest amount of time. Trying to help you out. And it's cold. I need my gloves. Go ahead and just go ahead and have a binge on DashingTrader channel. Like, just go ahead and binge all my videos. Start the finish. You can see how good I didn't got over these last 9 months. My first video is ass. And see where I done came to now. I also got a donation video in there that I need y'all to check out. Because what y'all don't realize is I've been doing this donation stuff. I got a Humane Society donation video from like March of this year or April or something. Go ahead and check that out and learn you something. Because you might be able to help out somebody in your community and you don't even know it. Or an animal. I'm going to fill these tires up. Pizza Hut still tips on my mama. They be talking about some cash on delivery. I declined 2 of them damn things today. I look at I opened up the little Doordash widget, right? That thing I'm talking about some one large pizza. Man, you calling me from 7 miles away? I ain't driving 14 miles to deliver one pizza. The hell I look like? I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Doordash should do anything. They'll have you out here. They worse than the damn pimps, boy. At least the pimps care about the, you know what I'm saying, they workers, man. DoorDash don't care nothing about us, man. I swear. They be like, oh, so your car broke down? Well, you think you can still make that delivery, though? Can you complete that delivery? Yeah, we understand. We understand, but we still got to ask, though. We know that the wheel fell off the car. We know. But we trying to see, can you still complete that delivery? Is it any way possible? No? Okay. We just wanted to check, though. They don't give a damn. They literally asked me that, like, hey, we understand you just told us your shit broke down and that you have no way, but can you still complete that delivery? We just asking. We can see that you're still 10 miles away from the goddamn delivery, but we still wanted to ask, could you complete it, though? Just to make sure. Double, triple check. And also, by the way, can you kindly hold, please? Like, what the hell? 6. I got 15 seconds to accept this. That's a good order. You see how many items? 4 items at Red Robin? I'm gonna accept that. We got, man, you ain't never been entertained so much for an hour and 10 minutes straight. Stop playing with me. Hit that like button, man. Share this stream, man. Come on. Order dropped off. What's that? $7. Okay, it went up 50 cents. You know what? I didn't think it was going up at all. I didn't think it was going up at all.